here on my channel at Home Inspired Decor by Janice. Today I would like to share with you how I style my dining room for the fall. Now this is the first year I've done my dining room table for the fall. So you get to be the first. I hope you like the video. Matter of fact, I hope you love the video, and if you do, be sure to like and share and subscribe. So why don't we go ahead and get started? But before we get started, let's talk about the elephant in the room. This beautiful top, which I purchased from Ross. So now that we've gotten that out the way, let's get started with the video, guys. I have a few floral items here, and basically what I will be doing is I will be using some of the flowers which I clipped, and I will show you how I put them together. Now these ribbons that I purchased from various stores. This is sheer ribbon. It's not wired ribbon, but it works well with what I plan on doing. I have brown, and then I have another satin type ribbon. I purchased this ribbon from the 99-cent store. And what I love about this ribbon is it has the plaid design. It has the fall colors, and this ribbon is wired, which is really fantastic to work with. And so the other thing I love about it is it was 99¢. I love that. And anytime I do decorating, I'm always thinking affordable. I love doing things inexpensive, where it's inexpensive but yet glamorous. Look at these beautiful colors. This beautiful orange, rust, and I will be incorporating some brown colors. They're beautiful. I love the warm colors of the fall. I purchased these beautiful lanterns from Hobby Lobby. They didn't come as a set. I bought them individually, and I just love the chrome because it goes with everything. And you can use these all year round, and that's another thing I loved about them. What I love about these, you can put large candles, small candles, a group of candles. You can group the candles. You can put one large candle in, and you can add some florals or mini lights for ambiance, and it also looks good on top of some florals. And what I'm going to do with my arrangement is I'm going to incorporate some floral design on these lanterns. And so today what I will be showing you is how I put together the floral arrangement, which is referred to as a garland. So I began, as you can see over here, I purchased several florals and other items that I will be incorporating in the design. And what I will begin with are these flowers, which they come in a bunch. And if you buy them in a bouquet, they're silk flowers, you can cut them individually, various flowers, and you can arrange them however you like. To do this, you need some florals, floral tape, which you can get from Hobby Lobby or Michael's or any craft store, and some floral wire to attach your flowers onto the lantern, or you can use what they call pipe cleaner. I don't have that here. And you can arrange them however you like, but normally what I do, I start with the smallest flowers first. This flower here, I'll be putting here just to add a little volume to it. And then I will add this rose, place it there. And you can arrange them however you like, mix the colors, however you would prefer. And then at the very middle, that's when I add the larger flower. So once you get all these put together, arranged the way you want, and you want to make sure the stems are long enough so they extend to the bottom if you can, so you can tape it. If not, you can begin taping like wherever, like in the middle here. And basically all you need to do is once you've clustered them together, you can start in the middle here, but I'm just for the sake of illustration, I'm going to start here, and you basically just wrap it around, and as you turn, you're going to twist it and hold the tape tight. As you twist around and as you go you're going to twist it, and you're going to twist it as it's going down along the stems, all the way until you get to the bottom of the stem. And you can add however many flowers you like. If you want it to be fuller, then you add more flowers. You want it to be less full, of course you add less flowers. So as you can see, this is beginning to be swag. And one thing about this, you can move this over, you can bend it, however you want. So this is great for your decor. You can either use this if you do a larger garland type arrangement. You can add more flowers, and then you can arrange it in a large piece of styrofoam and kind of tuck it in from both ends and fill it from there. Or you can use it as a swag along the side. Of course, you would turn it, bend it, so you can use it for that. And here is what it looks like once it's completed. So now I have the two items here, and I have these two, and I'm just simply going to turn it upside down and line it up. I'm going to leave a little space here. You can do that, or you can just take it all the way full like that. But in this situation, I'm going to just leave a space there, and I would add tape to this area. So get the tape. So this, I'm going to put those together and tape this area again with the floral tape. And I'm going to twist and turn. Just keep turning. You may want to wrap it, double up a couple of times, go back over it, but make sure it's secure. And this is what it looks like once it's all together. And there you have it.